Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Pustaka Digital, in English podcast section, where you can learn English naturally and fluently. I am Shane, your host, and today we have special guest. Hello, Chloe. How are you doing?
I am good, Shane. So, what is our discussion today?
Today, we're diving into Earth Day, its purpose, its meaning, and how we can turn awareness into action. Let's begin with a simple question. What is the purpose of Earth Day, and why is it celebrated around the world?
Earth Day is about reminding us that we share one planet and we all have a role in protecting it. It raises awareness about pollution, climate change, deforestation, and the need to take care of nature. It's a global day of action, reflection, and hope.
When is Earth Day observed, and how did it begin?
Earth Day is celebrated every year on April 22. It began in 1970 in the United States when millions of people came together to protest pollution. That movement sparked the creation of important environmental laws and inspired countries around the world to join the cause.
How is Earth Day celebrated in your country or community?
In my community, we plant trees, clean up beaches, or hold school events about recycling. Some cities hold climate marches or nature festivals to engage people of all ages.
Do you think Earth Day is effective in raising awareness about environmental issues? Why or why not?
Earth Day helps people see the bigger picture, even if just once a year. But awareness isn't enough. It's only effective if it inspires real change, not just talk.
What are some simple actions people can take on Earth Day to help the planet?
Many things we can do to take actions, such as plant a tree, turn off unnecessary lights, use reusable bags and bottles, walk or bike instead of driving, join a cleanup or donate to an environmental cause. Small steps, when done by millions, make a real difference.
Have you ever participated in an Earth Day event or campaign? What was it like?
Think about how it felt to do something positive. Did it change how you see the environment?
What environmental issue do you think deserves the most attention on Earth Day?
Some might say climate change. Others might say plastic waste or deforestation. There's no one right answer, but we must focus on the issues we can influence today.
Should Earth Day be a public holiday? Why or why not?
Making it a holiday could give people more time to reflect and act, but a day off doesn't guarantee participation. What matters more is education and engagement every day.
How can schools and workplaces become more involved in Earth Day efforts?
Host workshops or environmental challenges. Invite guest speakers or organize recycling drives. Encourage eco-friendly habits like going paperless or carpooling. Earth Day can be a fun and meaningful event, not just a lesson.
Do you believe Earth Day should lead to long-term changes, not just one-day actions? How can we make that happen?
Yes, Earth Day should be a starting point, not the finish line. To create lasting change, we need clear goals, consistent action, policies that protect the planet, a culture that values sustainability all year round.
What is the purpose of rallies, conferences, and outdoor activities during Earth Day?
These events bring people together to raise awareness, educate the public, and take action. Rallies give people a voice. Conferences spread knowledge. Outdoor activities like cleanups or tree plantings help the environment directly. It's all about turning awareness into action.
What are some of the environmental issues Earth Day raises awareness about?
Earth Day highlights many issues, including climate change, deforestation, air and water pollution, plastic waste, and biodiversity loss. These problems affect our health, nature, and future, and Earth Day reminds us to face them.
What are some easy, everyday actions individuals can take to help the environment?
Here are some simple things you can do every day. Turn off lights when not in use. Carry a reusable bag or bottle. Recycle paper, plastic, and cans. Walk or bike short distances. Eat less meat or avoid wasting food. Use less water when washing or cleaning. Small steps make a big impact over time.
What role can governments play in protecting the environment?
Governments can make laws to reduce pollution, invest in clean energy like solar and wind, protect forests and oceans, build public transport to reduce traffic, fund climate research and education. Their policies shape the future.
How can businesses work to help the environment?
Businesses can reduce waste and energy use eco-friendly packaging, support green suppliers, donate to environmental causes, encourage employees to go green. Green practices can also be good for their brand and profits.
How does climate change affect the environment?
Climate change leads to hotter temperatures, melting glaciers, and rising seas, stronger storms, and longer droughts, harm to plants and animals. It disrupts ecosystems and endangers life around the world.
How does climate change affect the economy?
Extreme weather can destroy farms, factories, and homes, increase food and energy prices, hurt tourism and jobs, cost billions in disaster recovery. Poorer communities suffer the most. That's why prevention is cheaper than repair.
What are the benefits of planting trees and supporting green spaces in cities?
Trees clean the air, provide shade and reduce heat, absorb carbon dioxide, offer homes for birds and animals, make cities calmer and more beautiful. Green spaces also improve mental health and community well-being.
How could you save water each day?
Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Take shorter showers. Fix leaking faucets. Collect rainwater for plants. Wash clothes only when the machine is full. Saving water helps the planet and your bills.
Has Earth Day made a difference in the world since it began?
Yes, Earth Day has made a real impact. Since it began in 1970, Earth Day has inspired millions of people to take environmental action, led to the creation of important laws like the Clean Air Act and Endangered Species Act in the U.S., grown into a global movement now celebrated by over 1 billion people in more than 190 countries, sparked environmental education in schools and communities, encouraged governments and companies to consider sustainability in decision-making. While there's still much work to do, Earth Day has definitely raised awareness and helped turn environmental protection into a global priority.
Why is it important to protect the Earth for the future?
Because this is our only home. Protecting the Earth means ensuring clean air, water, and food for future generations, preserving forests, oceans, and animals that keep ecosystems balanced, preventing the worst effects of climate change, leaving behind a world that is not just livable, but thriving. Our actions today shape the world tomorrow. If we want our children and grandchildren to enjoy nature's beauty and benefits, we must act now, together. Earth Day is a reminder that we all have a responsibility to take care of our planet and to work together to protect it for future generations. By taking action to protect the environment, we can help ensure that Earth remains a healthy and beautiful place for all living things. So let's celebrate Earth Day and commit to making every day Earth Day.
Absolutely right. By saving our Earth, we can protect future for our children.
If today's episode gave you value, share it with a friend and follow the show so you don't miss our next episode. Thank you so much.